Hi, this is Todd Baker, sales leader and certified mortgage planner with Service First Mortgage, and I am passionate about helping homeowners purchase real estate and create wealth through the purchase of real estate and the proper management of all of their finances. I'm also very passionate about helping real estate agents grow their business to achieve your life goals. So I just completed a book on tape. It was an audible book called Atomic Habits. And what the book was about was how tiny changes can lead to remarkable results. There's 2 or 3 really good books out there on this subject, and this is one of the good ones that is fairly recently released. Highly recommend that you listen to it or read it. The link, the Amazon link, is in the show notes today. But this also inspired me. I train real estate agents. I mentor real estate agents as part of that's how I give back. Rather than just buy internet leads, I help you guys grow your businesses through collaborative selling and really helping you implement strategies that are best business practices. And so based on that experience over the last several years, I can tell you that there's 5 simple habits that I've identified that you can implement right now in your business that will lead to remarkable results. I want to show you what those are. They are the habit of confirming loan approval, the habit of data input, the habit of rapport building, the habit of daily prospecting, and the habit of going the extra mile. So I've already done the other 4 videos. You can go to my YouTube channel. It's theprosperousagent.com. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm continually adding content to that, educational, inspirational, etc. Mostly it's educational for either for you to share to your clients or to help you guys grow. But that has the other videos there. So now today I want to talk about going the extra mile. So where I got that concept was from Think and Grow Rich. So that's another seminal book of self-improvement. It's by Napoleon Hill. Most of you have probably already heard that book. Many of you have probably already read the book. If you have not, that's another book I highly recommend. Napoleon Hill studied the most successful people of his era, and these were the titans of American industry, and categorized, basically it's like a 20-year study. And what he did is he was able to set forth a philosophy that showed exactly the steps that you need to take to achieve any goal. And one of them was going the extra mile. So what the extra mile means is always willing, basically in a nutshell, I'm going to paraphrase, but it means be willing to give a little bit more. So what I'm going to challenge you to do is take a look at all of your business processes. And number 1, look at the incremental spaces between communications with your prospects, either seller, buyer, or both, right? And vendors that particularly, or prospecting, right? The prospects as well, and determine what little things you could do to go the extra mile. I'm going to give you a couple of examples of some things I do that make a real difference. So when we have a new prospect that comes in, I build a full mortgage plan. Every client, whether it's a $50,000 condo or a $2 million house, estate home, right? Wherever they're coming in, they get a full mortgage plan. What that looks like is a written plan, a report. They don't just get a fees worksheet or a piece of paper with a bunch of fees and a payment. It's an actual plan that shows the amortized costs, several options. It's fit into their current financial situation. It fits into their short and long-term goals, and I'm looking to help them to achieve the greatest amount of wealth. The extra mile is that I do that level presentation, then I do a screenshot video, then I also include multiple pieces of information. I compare our interest rates to our competitors, so they know, so there's a trust built, right? I show them how to get the lowest cost mortgage. I show them how closing costs work. And then another extra mile is when that's sent out, I let the prospect gets texted and emailed and called, and then the next day a follow-up call to clean up any questions. And the agent knows. Let's talk about another extra mile. So extra mile during the process, you as agent sends me a prospect, you get notified that they're in my system right away and that the workflow is kicked off, that I'm going to text, call, email, and along the way, you're appraised of the situation. So my point is that extra mile is that extra little piece of communication. How many times have you referred someone out to your preferred lender, you don't hear back for a week or 2 weeks, you don't know what's going on? I make sure that you're engaged in the prospect the whole way, not just when you're doing the loan, But the more important part is when you're prospecting, because that's what drives referrals, that's what drives your closing. So those are some examples. So think of your own business, how you can go the extra mile. They could be, it's basically things like, first of all, having a great attitude. Having that smile flow through the phone being so filled with joy and happiness and radiating hope, radiating abundance, radiating peace, having that flow through. I had a great, one of the best salespeople I ever met in my life used to say, the prospect should be able to feel you and hear you, really feel you smiling on the other end of the phone. That's going the extra mile. Your tone of voice is going the extra mile. How you follow up is going the extra mile. Look at what kind of presentation you get. What kind of education are you giving your prospects? Does it inspire or is it mediocre? All of those things are extra mile. So go the habit of putting those extra mile steps by analyzing how you can improve, and you'll be amazed at the results. In fact, if you do these 5 habits just for 30 days, it will transform your business. I'm here to help you. Please feel comfortable reaching out to me anytime. If you email me, text me, give me my cell's in there. You can call my cell nights or weekends. It's fine with me. If you get my voicemail, leave me a message. I will call you back. Thanks so much. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.